English Estonian past have. I had.
mul oli.
Welcome and warm up. Hey you. This show is brought to you by Ch.6 Lingo, your playful path to real-life language. Pop over to www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies and exercises. Quick vibe check. Yesterday, I had.
mul oli.
You had.
sul oli.
We had.
meil oli.
Nice and short, like a comfy hoodie for your mouth. Ready? Let's make past possession your superpower, one smile at a time. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every had form without thinking, and even giggle once or twice. I had.
mul oli.
Tap your chest, then toss the memory over your shoulder. You had, singular.
sul oli.
Point to your friend, mime holding something. He had.
tal oli.
Thumb over the shoulder, past. She had.
tal oli.
Same form, Estonian keeps it simple. It had.
sellel oli.
Touch an object, then nod knowingly. We had.
meil oli.
Gesture to your group. You had, plural.
teil oli.
Open both hands to the group. They had.
neil oli.
Gesture to a crowd, heroic soundtrack optional. Mini dialogues. Yesterday's plot twist. Listen in and imagine the scene, then repeat the Estonian out loud. A. Yesterday, I had the keys. B. Oh really? Say it.
mul oli.
Vatmed. A. You had the map, right? B. Yep.
sul oli.
Cart. And somehow we still got lost. A. He had two ideas and both worked. B. Nice.
tal oli.
Kaks ideid ja mulmad tutasid. A. She had a bike as a kid. B. True.
tal oli.
Lapsena jalgratas. A. The device? It had a tiny crack. B. Right.
sellel oli.
Vaik pragu. A. We had a ticket, but it vanished, like a ninja. B. Aha.
meil oli.
Pilot. A. You had front row seats, plural you. B. Absolute legends.
teil oli.
Ezeria coat. A. They had a plan all along. B. Of course.
neil oli.
Plan kogu aeg. Call and response drill. I'll cue the English. You clap once, then say the Estonian. Ready? I had.
mul oli.
You had, singular.
sul oli.
He had.
tal oli.
She had.
tal oli.
It had.
sellel oli.
We had.
meil oli.
You had, plural.
teil oli.
They had.
neil oli.
Culture tip. How Estonian has things. Here's the brain saver. Estonian uses at X is, was to show possession. Think of it like this. At me was a key, equals I had a key.
mul oli võti.
Present is, at me is.
mul on.
Past flips to.
mul oli.
Same pattern for everyone.
sul on. sul oli. meil on. meil oli.
And so on. Once your brain accepts the at me trick, you'll sound smart with surprisingly little effort. Bonus laugh. Don't mix up, you had.
Suloli.
Singular, versus.
Eiloli.
Plural. Your friends will thank you. Lightning quiz. Say your answers out loud, yes, even if your cat is judging. Translate. We had time.
Meiloli.
Aga. Translate. They had a party.
Neiloli.
Pidu. Translate. You had a great idea, singular.
Suloli.
Sureparaini day. Translate. You had 2 tickets, plural you.
Eiloli.
Cax piletit. Translate. It had a problem yesterday.
Sellel oli.
I'll problem. Translate. I had a question.
Mul oli.
Kusamus. Translate. He had an old car.
Tal oli.
Vanna auto. Translate. She had enough time.
Tal oli.
Pisavalt Aga. Speed challenge. Deep breath, then fire through all 8 in order. You've got this. I had.
Mul oli.
You had. Sing.
Sul oli.
He had.
Tal oli.
She had.
Tal oli.
It had.
Sellel oli.
We had.
Meil oli.
You had, plural.
Teil oli.
They had.
Neil oli.
Now reverse it from, they had, back to, I had, go. Bonus. Whisper them like a spy, then shout them like a stadium announcer. Comedy equals memory. Wrap up and good vibes. You crushed it, high five. Quick recap for the CO gods in your brain. I had, you had, he had, she had, it had, we had, you had, plural, they had, aka.
Mul oli. Sul oli. Tal oli. Tal oli. Sellel oli. Meil oli. Teil oli. Neil oli.
Thanks for listening. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, share the laughs, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and freebies. Until next time.